So I was asked to put this Hurst roll control, basically it's a line lock in this 2008 Challenger. There's the part number. And I'm having a bit of an issue. So the solenoid is meant to be mounted on this ear on the fender, and it comes with stainless steel lines. And if I put this in here, I've got it mounted like that. You can see that this line is like 1.5 inches too long. And these are pretty rigid lines. They're 1/4 inch. It's like this pre-bent steel line here is too long. And I've got the master cylinder line. This is the line from the master cylinder, and this is the front circuit. The other line goes from the unit to the ABS assembly, and that looks right. But this line is too long, as you can see here. Let's see if I can focus on that. So that's where it's going to sit. And it's supposed to attach to here. There's not enough flex on this. Well, I guess we'll have to try. This is a stainless line, so it's pretty rigid. We don't want to kink it. If I could shorten this one. But it's a bubble flare, and I'm not sure my hydraulic flaring tool will flare this stainless line. If it was about there, it would work. I'm pretty sure this is the right kit because it specifies right on it that it's for 2008 to 10 Challenger SRT8 with 4-port system. I don't know what that means, 4-port system. I imagine that's the ABS system. But this line is supposed to go like so. And I can't move the solenoid back further because it hits the steel inner fender. This is a really rigid line. Wow. Well, we'll have to figure something out. So I managed to get it installed. I had to tweak both lines. This kit doesn't fit perfectly. This line should have been about 3/4 inch shorter. And I ran the wire along the back of the engine bay through the shifter cable grommet. And let's look at the installation inside. I struggled with location of these switches. I wanted to put them on the console, but everything is difficult to get to. It wasn't easy, so I took this faceplate off here and I put the launch control switch here and the enable switch here. So basically, with the key on, that enables it, that holds it, and that releases it. So hopefully he can play this weekend or next weekend at Terrace Bay Drags.